Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, we'll be talking about continuity. Okay? So, pagka pinag-usapan natin yung continuity of functions, how do we know if a function is continuous? Okay, so meron tayong three na criteria. Okay, so the first one is f should be is defined at a. So, ibig sabihin nito na yung denominator is not 0 and may value yung f of x at a. Okay? Second na criteria natin is that the limit as x approaches a of f of x exists. So, dapat kapag tinik natin yung limit, meron tayong makukuha na value. Okay? And lastly, dapat limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to f of a. Okay? Meaning, we can just simply substitute the value of a sa f of x and equal dun yung limit. Okay? Else, okay, discontinuous siya at x is equal to a. Okay? So, kailangan lahat yan ay masatisfy para masabi natin na continuous yung isang function. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin na discontinuous, meron din tayong mga iba't ibang klase niyan, no? So, let's also talk about that. So, discontinuity. So, we have three types. So, the first one is removable. The second one is essential. And yung essential, meron tayong two types. The first one is jump. And the second one is infinite. So, let's go to removable discontinuity muna. No? Paano natin masasabi na yung isang discontinuity ay removable? So, masabi natin yan if the limit as x approaches a of f of x exists, but f of a is undefined. Or, hindi equal yung limit as x approaches a of f of x sa fa. So, sinasabi natin siya na removable kasi we can just simply redefine yung ating function to remove yung pagiging discontinuity niya. Yung pagiging discontinuous niya. Okay? So, next is essential discontinuity. And nangyayari yung essential discontinuity if the limit as x approaches a of f of x does not exist. Okay? So, DNE does not exist. So, paano natin siya masasabi na jump? Okay? So, masasabi natin siya na jump if the limit as x approaches a minus of f of x, so the limit taken from the left side is not equal to the limit taken from the right side. Okay? And we can imagine this by imagining na we have a graph, let's say x and y, and then say you have a graph something like this. So, kapag ka nag-take tayo ng limit from the left side and the right side, nag-iiba yung value and nagkakaroon ng parang jump. Okay? And essential infinite discontinuity, ito naman ay kapag ka limit as x approaches a minus of f of x is equal to negative infinity. Or actually positive or negative infinity, doesn't matter. Or the limit as x approaches a plus of f of x is equal to positive or negative infinity. So, kaya natin siya tinatawag na essential infinite discontinuity. So, in the next video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba natin i-discuss yung continuity ng isang function at a certain point, and titignan natin kung discontinuous ba sila, and kung discontinuous ba sila, is it removable, jump essential, or infinite essential? Okay? So, see you in the next video.